Welcome to hgreglux. Here we have a 2016 Porsche 718 Boxster S. This car came with a clean Carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumper. Okay, everything here looks fine. I'm not seeing any paint chips or scratches. Let's have a look at the hood of the car. Excellent. So the front is in good condition. Let's take a look at the driver fender and wheel. This fender is in good condition. There are no scratches or dents. And the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the driver door. This door is in good condition as well. I'm not seeing any scratches or dents on the door at all. It looks perfect. Let's take a look at the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel is in good condition. There are no scratches or dents on it at all. And the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the back of the car. Okay, looking at the trunk, I'm not seeing any scratches there at all. Also, the back bumper is in perfect condition as well. Let's move on to the passenger quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks really good. I do not see any dents or scratches on it at all. And the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the passenger door. This door looks really good. There are no dents or scratches on the door. It is in perfect condition. And now the last fender and wheel looks excellent. I'm not seeing any scratches or dents on the fender, and the wheel has no curb rash. Also, the top of this car is in excellent condition as well. There are no scratches or wear and tear on the roof. So the exterior of this car is in perfect condition. Now we're going to have a look inside. And first we're going to start with the driver's seat. Okay, the seat looks good. Let's take a look at the door panel. The door panel is in perfect condition as well. The window switches look fine. So the driver's side is in excellent condition. Now we're going to take a look at the passenger side. Perfect. Let's have a look at the door panel. Excellent. I'm not seeing any wear and tear on this door panel at all. So the passenger side is in excellent condition. Now that I'm inside, we're going to have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the center console. Perfect. I'm not seeing any wear and tear here at all. Everything is in excellent condition. Also, this car has navigation and backup camera. Let's have a look at the steering wheel. Perfect. That looks excellent. Now we're going to have a look at the top. Everything goes down fine. Now we're going to have a look at the trunk. Now the front trunk. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.